Hi, I am Dr. Tamara Harville, and I am going to talk to you about topic sentences today and why they're important for us, why we write them in papers. What exactly is a topic sentence? It's known as a focus sentence, and it helps encapsulate or organize the entire paragraph. Every paragraph should have a topic sentence. So your intro, the topic sentence in that is usually the very first sentence. It grabs your attention, has to have that hook and your topic in it. Even though the most important sentence of that paragraph is the thesis. This is at the end of that paragraph. The body paragraphs all should have a topic sentence to guide them and begin them. They should connect to the thesis. And the conclusion should have a topic sentence to cue you back in onto what your main point was. So most, if not all, paragraphs will have them. And although they can usually appear anywhere within the paragraph in academic essays, they're usually at the very beginning. So analyzing a topic sentence, they do act like a tiny thesis statement. They make a claim of some sort. So while your thesis statement supports your entire paper or sets up your entire paper, that one main claim, well, a topic sentence, it makes a main claim for that body paragraph. So it also, whatever it sets up, whatever will follow to explain it, expand it, describe it, make a point, give reasons and examples. So that topic sentence has a very important job because it has to set up the paragraph to be able to do all this. Now there are two different things that the topic sentence does. One is it connects to the thesis. Everything in every topic sentence should connect right back to the thesis, but also define the scope of its own paragraph. So it goes in two different directions. If you are writing a paper and you find that you're actually writing chronologically, say you're evaluating a piece of poetry or something, and you find that you just are continuing with what you had to say, if that first sentence of that next paragraph does not immediately connect to the thesis, then it's not a topic sentence. Okay, so here is an example. Many fast food chains make their profits from adding a special ingredient called forget sauce to their foods. So with this example, we know within this paragraph it's probably going to talk about fast food chains, profits with fast food chains, ingredients with fast food chains, why this thing is called forget sauce, and why it would be added to their food, right? All right, so let's see what the rest of the paragraph would say. Made largely from edible oil products, this condiment is never listed in the menu. So this fits with the topic sentence because it's describing what the forget sauce is. In addition, this well-kept industry secret is the reason why ingredients are never listed on the packaging of victuals sold by these restaurants. So this is still talking about the sauce directly. Forget sauce has a chemical property which causes temporary amnesia in consumers. So this might make you go, what? Which is good if you're going to follow with something that explains. So this is talking about the short-term effect. So after spending too much money on barely edible food bereft of any nutritional value, most consumers swear they will never repeat such a disagreeable experience. I'm sure you've done this before. I know I have. And that's the long-term effect, right? And we're going to continue. Within a short period of time, however, the chemical in forget sauce takes effect and they can be depended upon to return and spend older but no wiser. So we're going into further long-term effects. Finally, the paragraph proves the claim contained in the topic sentence that many fast food chains make their profits from adding this special ingredient called forget sauce. Blech. So every sentence that followed that topic sentence related, explained, or supported it in some way. If after you've written your paragraph and you've had all that evidence and all that explanation and you read that topic sentence again and it's like not really working, edit it, revise it, fix it. Every topic sentence is just as important as every thesis statement. I hope this has helped. Thank you.